Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make egg varieties. Let's start with scrambled eggs, a breakfast classic. For fluffy scrambled eggs, whisk 2 or 3 eggs with a tablespoon of milk or cream. Heat a non-stick pan over medium-low heat with a pat of butter. Pour in the egg mixture and gently push the cooked portions towards the center, allowing the uncooked egg to flow underneath. Cook until just set, about 2 to 3 minutes for a perfect, creamy texture. Next up, let's master the fried egg. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat with a teaspoon of butter or oil. Once shimmering, carefully crack 1 or 2 eggs directly into the pan. For sunny side up, cook until the whites are completely set but the yolk remains runny, usually for about 3 minutes. If you prefer over easy, gently flip the egg and cook for an additional 30 seconds. A perfectly fried egg has crispy edges and a warm, liquid yolk. Now let's tackle boiled eggs, a versatile option for any meal. Place your eggs in a pot and cover them with about 1 inch of cold water. Bring the water to a rolling boil over high heat. Once boiling, immediately reduce the heat to low, cover the pot and let them cook. For a soft-boiled egg with a runny yolk, cook for 6 minutes. For a firm, hard-boiled egg, cook for 10 minutes. Transfer to an ice bath to stop cooking. Finally, let's make elegant poached eggs. Bring a pot of water to a gentle simmer, adding a splash of white vinegar. Create a gentle swirl in the water with a spoon, then carefully crack an egg into the center of the swirl. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes until the whites are set and the yolk is still runny. Remove with a slotted spoon. These varieties offer delicious ways to enjoy eggs, whether for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. And speaking of staying refreshed, check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.